I extracted 250 Amazon t-shirt designs from 𝗏𝗏 𝗵𝗏's and Shakers tool and used Claude to analyze what niches are most common and repeating, and why they're selling. Instead of manually scrolling and guessing trends, I used Image Downloader, a Chrome extension, to quickly pull all the shirt images from 𝗏𝗏. To download all the images from any website, open the Image Downloader extension and check the Select All box. Unselect the images you don't want and click Download at the bottom right. And just like that, you've downloaded all the images onto your hard drive. I went through the first 10 pages and repeated this process. I'm speeding it up here, but by the end, that gave me about 250 designs. Now I pasted my prompt into Claude, but it has an upload limit, so I had to combine the images into single sheets or large grids, basically collages, so it would analyze the 250 designs at once. To do this, I used the bulk merge images tool on pinetools.com. Dragging the images, I did about 40 at a time. Select the number of columns you want in your grid and click merge. You'll see the images combined into a single grid sheet. Then download it as a PNG. Repeat this for the remaining images. This is what the image grid looks like. I continued this process until all 250 designs were merged into sheets. Then I dragged the resulting images into Claude and gave it the following prompt. Analyze these Amazon 𝗏𝗏's and Shakers images. Only extract repeated subject niches. Ignore styles, colors, layouts. Rules. A niche must appear at least 2 times to count. Be very specific. No broad categories like funny or graphic. Group similar ideas into one niche. For each example, include the actual text or phrase visible on the shirt, or a close description if the text is unclear. Only output the 10 strongest or more repeated niches. Order from the strongest, most appearances to weakest. I asked it to include examples so I could verify the results and make sure it wasn't making up niches or phrases like ChatGPT sometimes does. Claude did a better job at this. I also asked it to identify repeated phrase patterns that could be applied to other niches in the future. Comment prompt in the video and DM me if you want the full prompt. Here's what came back. The strongest niche was class of 2026/graduation. Stuff like prom mom 2026. Then you had school transitions, like the first day or last day shirts. Test day motivation designs. Mom identity and family roles. Grandparent pride. Patriotic 250 years designs. Autism and neurodiversity awareness. Healthcare worker identity. So right away you can see clusters, school, family roles, seasonal events, and identity-based designs. Claude also found repeating phrase structures that you can use across other niches or to scale your designs. For example, phrases like proud of a graduate, awesome like my, and just a girl who loves. These are frameworks, or structures that the market is already responding to. So instead of guessing what might sell, you're starting with proven patterns and real data. You're seeing what repeats across recent selling designs and building from there. You can take these results and turn them into original design ideas based on these patterns. By analyzing hundreds of designs in minutes, Claude and other AI tools can help you quickly identify what's selling and help you figure out what to create next.